Hello guys, in this section we are going to cover SMF or Session Management Function Interfaces. If you are like coming from 4G background, you can think SMF as kind of taking over the control plane responsibility of the old P gateway and S gateway, plus the session management duties of the MME. So it is the brain like that controls the data connectivity. So here we have the control plane to user plane interface, that is N for interface, and for interface is going to connect SMF to the UPF, that is user plane function. And like this is how the SMF tells the UPF what to do kind of thing. Like when a user requests a data session, the SMF uses N for interface to program the routing rules, bandwidth limit, and kind of packet inspection rules into the UPF. So N4 uses the PFCP, that is Packet Forwarding Control Protocol, or UDP, and this is kind of very highly optimized low latency protocol that is designed specifically for rapid control for the forwarding of the rules, and it operates on standard port that is 8805. Next, we have the SPI based interface, that is N11, N10, N7, and N40. So these are interface are using HTTP2 or TCP/IP, which is essential for 5G based architecture. Okay, that is SBA. So here, like instead of rigid point-to-point telecom protocols, this network functions acts like microservices communicating via some RESTful APIs. Here we have that N11 interface, that is from SMF to AMF. So here like AMF handles the mobility like where the user is. When a user requests a data session, the AMF passes the request to the SMF over N11, and they work together to manage the connection as the user moves. Next we have the N10 interface, that is between SMF and UDM. So here like UDM is that is Unified Data Management, is the subscriber database. The SMF carries the UDM over N10 interface to check is that particular user is authorized for that particular services they are requesting or not. Then we have N7 interface, that is from SMF to PCF. Here like PCF policy control function holds the rule. So SMF asks the PCF or N7 interface like what speed limit should this user get, and are there any specific charging rules for that particular traffic. And here SMF kind of takes these rules and pushes them down to the UPF via N4 interface. Then we have N40 interface, that is like SMF to CHF. CHF is charging function, so it is going to handle the charging. So here SMF reports usage data like the byte it consumes, and it is like going to tell to the CHF over N40 interface like the user is kind of built correctly. So like to summarize, so SMF is the orchestrator, you can say, of the data session. So it uses like HTTP to REST APIs to talk to the control plane NFs, that is ADM, UDM, AMF, PCF, and CHF, to get the rules, verify subscription, and like report billing. And then it is going to translate those high-level rules into low-level network commands and pushes them to UPF using PFCP over N4 interface. And that's it from this particular session. I will see you next session. Thanks.